Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you can you change Shopify theme without losing content. So there are several things that you can do and that will change as well with your Shopify theme, and some content will be affected while other content won't. So basically, what's the catch? So as you can see right here, if you scroll here right down, you can see, can you change a Shopify theme without losing content? Shopify makes it really easy to change themes. The question is, what's lost in the process? So basically, as you can see right here, much of the content you've loaded into your site prior to changing themes will remain. This includes your navigation, your pages, your products, your collection, and your blog posts. Now, these elements are part of the store itself, not the theme, and they're editable in their own sections of the Shopify dashboard. So you don't have to worry about that content. Now, content that may be affected by a theme change, again, these changes would be, when you activate a new theme, the template files for that theme replace previous template files. So this is the only thing that will be affected. Now, customizations made in the Shopify theme editor, since each theme has its own theme editor, which comes up when you click customize, it makes sense that these changes don't transfer to a new theme. Then also edits made to theme files. When you edit a theme code, HTML, CSS, Liquid, JavaScript, you're making directly changes within that particular theme. So that will not be translated. You will lose that. Shopify apps that change theme code, you will lose as well, that as well. So again, any changes made to the theme files, in itself, in your previous theme will not be lost. If you don't end up loving your new theme, your old theme will retain your customizations. So this is pretty much how you can do it. Obviously, you can change your Shopify theme easily and then customize it however you want. Now, if done right, your updated brand aesthetic and site functionality will not only help you increase traffic to your store, but also boost your conversions as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, and we'll see you in the next Shopify video.